Meet Maya. She's a sixth grader who loves art, and today she's trying to draw the perfect star for her school project. But here's the problem. Her teacher says every point of the star needs a different kind of angle. Maya has no idea what that means. Acute? Obtuse? Straight? Sounds like a foreign language. But by the end of this video, Maya and you will be angle experts. Let's crack the code together. Before Maya can classify angles, she needs to know what an angle actually is. An angle is formed when two rays share the same starting point. That point is called the vertex. Think of it like two roads meeting at an intersection. We measure angles in degrees, and a full circle is 360 degrees. So every angle is just a slice of that circle. Some slices are tiny, some are huge. Maya's drawing pencil is already making angles everywhere she looks. Here's the big picture. There are four main types of angles Maya needs to know. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. They're sharp and pointy like the tip of a star. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees, that perfect corner you see everywhere. Obtuse angles are bigger than 90 but less than 180 degrees, wide and open. And straight angles are exactly 180 degrees, a perfectly flat line. Maya just sketched all four in her notebook. Let's explore each one. First up, acute angles. These are the sharp, pointy angles that are less than 90 degrees. Maya loves these because they make the tips of her star look extra spiky and cool. Think of a pizza slice. If it's a really thin sliver, that pointy end is an acute angle. Any angle from just above 0 degrees all the way up to 89 degrees counts as acute. The smaller the number of degrees, the sharper and more pointy the angle looks. Sharp angles for sharp minds. Next is the superstar of geometry, the right angle. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees, no more, no less. You know that little square symbol you see in the corner of shapes? That's the universal sign for a right angle. Maya spotted right angles everywhere in her classroom. The corner of her notebook, the edge of the whiteboard, even the tiles on the floor. Whenever two lines meet and make a perfect L shape, that's a right angle. 90 degrees every single time. Now let's talk obtuse angles. These are the big, wide open angles between 90 and 180 degrees. Maya uses obtuse angles for the base of her star shape. Think of reclining in a comfy chair. That leaning back position makes an obtuse angle with the floor. Or think of a clock at 10 o'clock. The angle between the hands is obtuse. Any angle from 91 degrees all the way up to 179 degrees is obtuse. The bigger the degrees, the wider and more open the angle looks. Wide open, just like a big yawn. Last but not least, the straight angle. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees, which means the two rays point in completely opposite directions, forming a perfectly flat, straight line. Maya realized the edge of her ruler makes a straight angle. Think about standing up perfectly straight, or looking at the horizon line where the sky meets the ocean. That's 180 degrees of pure flatness. It's called a straight angle because, well, it looks completely straight. Half of a full circle, perfectly balanced. All right, Maya's worksheet has her first question. Is 35 degrees acute, right, obtuse, or straight? Let's think through it together. We ask, is 35 less than 90? Yes. 35 is definitely less than 90, so this angle is acute. Picture it. 35 degrees is a sharp, narrow angle, like the tip of a very pointy pencil. Acute it is. Maya checks her answer. Correct. She's smiling already. Remember our rule. Anything under 90 degrees gets the acute label every time. Next problem on Maya's worksheet, classify an angle of 90 degrees. Is 90 degrees less than 90? No. Is it greater than 90? No. Is it exactly 90? Yes. So this is a right angle, the perfect corner. We mark it with that special little square symbol in the corner to show everyone it's exactly 90 degrees. Maya draws the little square confidently. She knows this one cold. 90 degrees always means right angle. No guessing needed. When you see that square marker, you instantly know right angle. Here's a trickier one, 127 degrees. Maya pauses and thinks. Is 127 less than 90? No. Is it exactly 90? No. Is it between 90 and 180? Let's check. 127 is greater than 90, and 127 is less than 180. Yes, that puts it right in the obtuse zone. So 127 degrees is an obtuse angle, wide and open, bigger than a right angle, but not yet a straight line. Maya draws it and sees how wide and relaxed it looks. Wide angles, wide smiles. That's obtuse. She nails it. Last example, 180 degrees. Maya looks at her protractor, and the angle goes all the way to the other side, forming a perfectly flat, straight line. Is 180 equal to 90? No. Is it between 90 and 180? No, it is 180. So this is a straight angle. The two rays point in exactly opposite directions, making one flat, unbroken line. Maya holds her ruler up. That edge is a straight angle every time. Perfect. She's solved every problem on her worksheet. From zero clue to total angle master. That's Maya's journey, and yours too. Here's the secret weapon Maya now uses every time, the angle decision tree. Ask yourself 4 questions in order. Is the angle less than 90? Acute. Is it exactly 90? Right. Is it between 90 and 180? Obtuse. Is it exactly 180? Straight. Run through this checklist every time you see an angle measurement, and you'll classify it correctly every single time. Maya wrote this in her notebook and circled it in red. This is your cheat code. Use it. One of the coolest things about angles is they're everywhere. Acute angles show up at the tip of a pizza slice or the point of a star, sharp and narrow. Right angles are in every corner of your notebook, your door frame, even your phone screen. Obtuse angles appear when you open a laptop partway, wide and leaning back. And straight angles? That's your ruler, the edge of a table, or the flat horizon at the beach. Maya now sees angles in everything she draws and everywhere she looks. You will too. Remember when Maya was totally stumped by angles? She couldn't tell an acute from an obtuse to save her star drawing. Now look at her. She classified every single angle on her worksheet and made the best star in the class. And you did it right along with her. Acute under 90, right at exactly 90, obtuse between 90 and 180, and straight at exactly 180. 4 types, 4 rules. Totally mastered. Practice spotting angles in your house today, and you'll never forget them. You've got this. You're an angle